Why did I build all these automated marketing tools? The reason why is because I'm a lazy and cheap person. I hate paying people to do my work for me. And with AI, I literally found a way that AI could do all of my work for me. For example, I hate sharing posts on Facebook. So I built a multiple group share assistant which basically shares to all my groups and causes me to actually sell more of my problems. So basically it allows me to share to all of my groups in one click without having to pay a social media marketer. That's just one example. Then for TikTok, I built Reply Flow, which answers all of my messages one at a time based on a prompt. Then I built Zippyfill to fill in all of my forms for me, because I have a dropship business as well, and it literally fills the form one at a time, including drop downs, and it can even customize it and set custom rules per site so every field populates exactly how you want it. You can literally try it for free. Then I built Emoji Mouse to help me make my cursor look a little bit more interesting when I'm doing my presentations, because I found that when my presentations were more interesting, people actually stayed on the video instead of leaving. Then I built ZippyClip. ZippyClip allows me to drop the video that I'm recording right now of my screen, and it will put custom images, custom effects, sound effects, zooms and subtitles, and even background music. And it's absolutely incredible. You just drop a video into a folder and it publishes to all your channels after having edited the video. So with all of these tools, I'm actually able to produce an immense amount of unique and high quality content without actually wasting any time. So now being lazy and cheap doesn't mean you don't have to succeed in life. You can still succeed in life even without doing anything. And the reason why is because of AI. So I've done all of the hard work for you. I've built all the apps that work on all the different platforms. Now all you need to do is go to the link in my bio and start using them. Now the amazing thing is that they're all free to use, at least for a while. So download them and see if they make you make more money. See if they make you get more views, get more downloads, convert more. And if it does, then just buy the full version. It's worth it. Because if you do, you'll end up with more downloads, more sales, more leads, and you'll close more. If you like this kind of content, just follow me for more, because this kind of video is the kind of video that helps you market your business. See, everyone today is busy with vibe coding and building, but no one's talking about marketing, and that's why people stay at 0 downloads for so long. See you at the next video.